Hello my friends, this is Carlos. In this video is part of a series because Facebook is changing how they're going to allow you to stream into your group starting now at the end of April. But there's a couple of ways that you can still stream or leverage your current software. That could be Ecamm Live, OBS, vMix, Zoom, StreamYard, or Restream, or any others through something that is called RTMP. So what I'm going to be doing is showing you how you can get all your information so you can reconfigure your environment and then continue serving your community. So let's dive into that. So I am creating a brand new grouping here that I'm preparing. And the first thing that you're going to see is that you don't see the live button anywhere. If you click, like, you're going to type a new post, you can go into the three little dots, and in here you're gonna see the option for live video. When you click there, this is gonna bring you to the old traditional live producer. That is how you're gonna be able to control your live from now on. What you have to do is in this option, go live. I'm gonna have another video talking about what is a live event, but let's just go live. You click here, go live, and what this is going to do is that it's going to provide you the settings for your live sessions, and you need to configure several things in a specific way so it will work. The first thing is that this will be your control center. You're going to need to have this open so you can control your live. For some reason, that's the way that they wanted to do it. So there's not going to be no way to completely automate this way as of what they're describing right now. So the first thing that here in the middle, you see that you have your stream software setup and you have your key. That key is what it's going to grant you access so you can connect and send your stream, again, from any of your software. But before you copy it, I want you to click here, this advanced settings. And you're gonna see that there's an option for persistent key. This is the old traditional way that you used to be able to get a key so you can go live to your group or to your page without a problem. This was automated before, so the software will go in, grab the key, and allow you to stream. Now they remove that connection. So the first thing that probably you will see that in yours, it may be like this, that is not on. I want you to turn it on, because what that will do is that it will create a different key when it's a persistent key versus when it's a dynamic key. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do is that you're gonna copy this key, enable it, and now you're gonna copy your key, and you also wanna copy your server URL. I'm gonna copy it here. And you're gonna save that because you're gonna need that in the software that you go through. So in this first video, we're gonna configure the Facebook side. On the rest of the videos for this course, we actually gonna configure each of the individual software so you know how to do them. Then the next part is that you're gonna see that the post detail, you need to configure the information. So in this case, I already configured, but I'm gonna click edit post. You need to add a title and a description. If not, your live will not go live. And sometimes you don't realize that that's what is holding you back from going live, but you need to put something here. So let's say that you're gonna go Facebook group live. This is our group live stream. And again, whatever information you want to put in here. Click save. Okay, now you have the title, the description. Then the next thing that you need to do, you need to configure at least one connection, like your software, so you can go live before this button that is here on the bottom. You see that it says a video source is required. This will not light up as blue unless that you configure your live stream software. So right now, what I want you to do, copy your stream key that is right here. copy your server URL that is right here. And then on the next video, I'm going to start with the first software that I'm going to use, that is OBS. Just look at it. But if you're not using OBS and you're using, let's say, Ecamm Live or StreamYard or Restream, they all are very similar, and I will have videos for those. My friends, we'll see you on our next video.